Ever wondered what makes a woman turned on? Indeed, it's a question that has perplexed many a soul throughout the ages. Today, we delve into this enigma, offering you a roadmap to the female psyche. We've compiled a list of 10 golden rules, gleaned from the wisdom of countless hearts and minds. These rules will guide you in the art of attraction, the science of seduction, and the craft of connection. So, are you ready to embark on this journey of discovery? Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets to igniting the spark. Rule number 1, confidence is key. Confidence, my friends, is not a trait that you're born with, but rather one that is built over time. It's the product of self-awareness, self-acceptance, and a dash of boldness. When you walk into a room with your head held high, radiating assurance, you're instantly more attractive. Women are drawn to a man who knows his worth, who carries himself with grace and strength. Now, let's transition into our second rule, communication. It's not just about talking, it's about expressing yourself openly and honestly. It's about sharing your thoughts, your dreams, your fears, and even your insecurities. It's about making connections that go beyond the superficial. When you communicate effectively, you show that you're not only confident, but also genuine and relatable. Remember, a confident man who communicates well is irresistible. Moving on to rule number 3, kindness never fails. You see, kindness is a universal language that everyone understands, especially women. It's not just about being nice, it's about showing genuine care and consideration. When you show kindness, it makes a woman feel valued, respected, and appreciated. It's like holding up a mirror that reflects the best version of her, and who wouldn't be drawn to that? Now let's slide into rule number 4, the thrill of spontaneity. Spontaneity is the spice that keeps a relationship exciting. It's the unexpected surprise date, the unplanned road trip, or the sudden dance in the rain. It shows that you're not just following a script, but you're writing your own unique story together. And let me tell you, there's nothing more attractive than a man who can keep a woman on her toes. Guessing what fun adventure comes next? A kind, spontaneous man is a woman's dream. Rule number 5, show genuine interest. Now here's where the magic really happens. You see, showing interest is more than just asking about her day. It's about diving deeper, asking about her passions, her dreams, her favorite books, or the music that makes her heart sing. It's about wanting to know her, the real her, not just the surface level stuff. It's about showing her that you're not just another guy, but someone who truly values what she brings to the table. And that brings us to rule number 6, being a good listener. Listening, my friends, is not just about being silent when she talks. It's about being present, being engaged. It's about understanding her, not just hearing her. It's about giving her the space to express herself and validating her thoughts and feelings. Remember, an interested man who listens is not just a good partner, he's a woman's treasure. An interested man who listens is a woman's treasure. Rule number 7, respect is crucial. You see, respect is the foundation of any relationship. It's not about opening doors or pulling out chairs. It's about recognizing her worth and treating her with dignity. When a woman feels respected, she feels safe, valued, and loved. Transitioning to rule number 8, remember, space is equally essential. Just like you, she needs room to breathe, to grow, to be herself. It's all about balance. A respectful man who gives space is a woman's safe harbor. Rule number 9, be supportive. There's a certain strength found in support, a strength that is often underestimated. It's about being there during her triumphs, celebrating her victories, no matter how small, but it's more than just being her cheerleader. It's also about standing by her during her lows, being her safe harbor in the storm. It's about understanding that everyone has off days, and that's okay. Now let's transition to our final rule. Rule 10, show affection. Affection doesn't always mean grand gestures or lavish gifts. It's often found in the smallest of actions. A gentle touch, a loving word, a warm smile. It's about expressing your feelings, not just through words, but also through actions. It's about making her feel cherished, loved, and special every single day. Remember, a woman doesn't need a superhero. She doesn't need a Prince Charming. What she needs is a supportive man who shows affection. A supportive man who shows affection is a woman's rock. So there you have it, the 10 golden rules, the power of confidence and communication, the charm of kindness and spontaneity, the allure of showing interest and being a good listener. Let's not forget the importance of respect and space and the impact of being supportive and showing affection. Each rule is a gem, contributing to the art of making a woman turned on. Remember, every woman is unique. These rules are just guidelines. The key is to understand and respect her individuality.